So I'm gonna be on the table here with you.
Okay.
Sit up nice and tall for me. I'm going to tuck this down and back. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
That was good.
That was good.
Yeah. Don't get better than that.
That's right.
Yeah. Same kind of thing, this other side. Again, we're gonna tuck it down and in there.
Wow. That was good. That was really good. There's a lot of movement in both of those.
Yeah, a lot right at the basis.
Yep.
There.
Cause that's where all the tension, when I get my headaches, it's all right up in here. All right there.
Yeah.